Good. That's better. Three more times. Good. Good. Pay attention to detail. Okay. 2 more times. Okay. 1 more time. Okay. Stop. Without the music. Without the music.
Look at the stars.
Okay. Okay. That's good. Okay. So the words are right. How you can improve on it is a couple of things. Number one, which you started to improve on, was the tone. At the beginning, you say, "Look at the star, look at the star, look at the star." Then you started picking up on him saying, "Look at the stars." This song, actually, my other students used it. It's very, very expressive with the tones, which is going to help you because you can understand the English tones better.
Very, yeah.
You feel tired?
No, a little bit.
Yes, it's a good challenge, right?
Yeah, but the principal thing that the principal thing that I notice, and it's actually something new.
Yes, yes. Nobody has taught you over the last 20 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it really
It's surprising to you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It should be. Otherwise you'll be teaching me.
Yeah. And I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.